BAOCHARM Direct Cooling Block Ice Machine Installation Guide, from Zero to Operation, explained all at once. Let's get started. The user needs to prepare the following accessories in advance for the installation and use of the block ice machine. When lifting the block ice machine, the lifting points should be the lifting lugs at the four corners of the machine. After the machine is placed, the positions and directions of the water inlet and outlet of the de-icing system need to be confirmed. Machine level adjustment is very important. Place the laser level on the ice tray exit side. After ensuring the position of the water defrost system's inlet and outlet, use a tape measure to obtain and record the distance from the bottom of the evaporator ice mold to the laser line. The ice outlet is required to be slightly higher than the refrigeration unit by about 1-1.5 centimeters at the water defrost Shiyang inlet and outlet position. At the same time, the water de-icing system's inlet must be higher than its outlet. Note that the horizontal difference between the inlet and outlet must not exceed 3 centimeters. Adjusting the machine level is to prevent residual water in the water de-icing system pipes and to prevent moisture from freezing and blocking the pipes. Note that when adjusting the machine level, you can use the prepared jacks and steel plates for support. Connect the evaporator water injection pump and pipeline, and set up a water injection port for the evaporator. Note that the water injection port should be placed at the center of the ice tray, above the evaporator. Install an external liquid level sight tube on the evaporator to monitor the water level inside the evaporator later. Connect the pipeline between the water de-icing system and the water pump. Note that the water pump must be connected to the water inlet of the de-icing system. Defrosting can be carried out by injecting water into the internal pipes of the evaporator through the water defrosting system. The outlet pipe of the water de-icing system is extended to the end of the pool, which can increase the water heat dissipation efficiency. Correctly install the cooling tower, including the fan, internal cooling, water pipes, packing, etc. Note that the correct connection between the cooling tower outlet and the water pump, as well as the correct connection direction between the water pump and the machine. Note that the water pump connecting to the inlet of the machine, chiller cooling system usually at the bottom supply pipeline. The outlet pipe is directly connected to the cooling tower. Correctly connect the 3-phase power supply. The internal wiring of the electric box has been basically completed at the factory, and the user only needs to connect the water pump wiring. Note that distinguish the labels of each line, and simply connect the line corresponding to the water pump to be connected. Adjust the preset ice tray lifting height through the interface. The initial value of the preset ice tray lifting height is 0. Click the button to enter the settings interface, lift the ice tray, and observe the lifting of the ice tray manually. Pause the lifting of the ice tray after it reaches and touches the evaporator seal strip, and the lift height value will be displayed on the control panel. record the actual lifting height of the ice tray, click the operation panel to set it, and configure it for the machine to automatically lift the ice tray height during subsequent ice making. At this point, the direct cooling block ice machine has been basically installed. Let's start testing the block ice machine.